that Yum Yum? Is that Yum Yum? Is that Yum 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 Yums? There you go. Hi, Dooney girl. Yes, hello. How are you? Is that Yum Yums? Is that Yum Yums? Yes, it is. It's very Yum Yums. Yum Yums, Yum Yums. Yum 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 Yums. Yes, it is. What was that? Goodness. What was that? What a girl. You step up? Yes, hello, the pretty girl. Here you go. Have a drink. Back up. Whoops. There you are. Hello. Are you a good girl? Yes, you're a very good girl. Hello, the Kanzi bird. What have you got? Is that yours? Is that yours? Yes, look at you. You're crazy. Come on up here. Hello. Do you want to scratch? Do you want to scratch? Hello. The Kanzi bird. Oh, is that your newspapers? Is that your newspapers? Look at the vultures. The vultures are watching. Oh, scariness. The vultures. Hello. What are you doing? You coming to visit? We don't really want your kind here. You're one of those big green birds. Oh, there is another big green bird. Having some troubles there, are you, Belisa? What can we do for you? What can we do for you? You're not in focus when you're that close. You silliness. There's a big beak. You're not in focus though. Hey, Kanzi bird. What a good boy. Got your toe. Yes.